Welcome everyone to the ADP Center for Learning Technologies short series on gamification and gamified learning. Today we'll be looking at the platform myshortanswer.com. So this platform requires either a free or a paid account. Today we'll be using the free version of MyShortAnswer. Once you click login, it will prompt you to sign in either as a teacher or a student. So you will sign in as a teacher. I'll continue using my Google account to sign in. So the free version of this platform does limit teachers to 5 active questions or prompts. The purpose of this platform is to prompt participants with a question where they would answer in a short answer format. This platform does allow educators, in contrast to the other platforms we've covered, see the respondents' answers or score their points as well. To start, clicking the New Question option allows the creator to enter a prompt for participants to answer. They can also upload a JPEG, PNG, WebP, or PDF file for them to review and adjust their answer accordingly as well. Once one creates a question such as what floor of University Hall is the ADP Center on, you can decide to launch this question. So once you launch this question, it will prompt you with the format that you would like to deliver the gamified question in, whether it's all in, whether it's pairs, or whether it's a battle royale tournament. So you can also choose if the participants answer by text, image, or text and image, and the limitations on copy and paste as well. So once you click continue, it will take you to a lobby screen for participants to join your activity in a live manner. We are not going to go into what it looks like once participants are in the lobby. I'll leave that for you after you create your prompt and invite some people to test it out. If you do enjoy the question that you've saved, you can go back to the library option on the left-hand side of the user display menu, and you can see sets of questions that you've saved based on specific topics when creating the new question. You can save it under specific topics or create a topic, which it will save it under, similar to a file. And once you have started the activity and you would like to see the results of participants, you can click on the results of the activity on the time and date that you've initiated it and see the results of the clients or participants. In the premium version, you are able to export the results, and there are some other premium features as well that one can look for. This is typically what the fees associated with it would look like as well. So if you do have any more individualized questions or concerns or would like us to go more in detail about this with you, please feel free to reach out to us through the adpcenter.org, where you're able to schedule an appointment with either myself or one of our team members, or you can email us at adpcenter@montclair.edu. Thank you for attending this workshop, and we look forward to having you at ones in the future, and always feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns. Have a great day.